Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the hairline so product grips the hair. Use an alcohol-free toner or water and blot gently. Once done, split the edges into small 1/2-inch sections and clip away the rest of the hair. Apply a pea-size amount of edge control to the toothbrush. You want control without stiffness. Then, brush each small section into the desired direction. Short, deliberate strokes work best, so the hair lays flat and the product disperses evenly. You now shape the edges. Use short, varied strokes to sculpt swoops and baby hairs because long pulls can create tension and breakage. For stubborn cowlicks, add a touch more edge control and briefly warm the area with a blow dryer on low for 2 to 3 seconds. Heat helps set the product. Make sure to check symmetry as you go, then wrap a silk scarf snugly around the hairline and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes so the edges set smoothly and stay laid. You finish by removing the scarf carefully and inspecting symmetry. Use a tiny toothbrush to tame any stray hairs and apply a drop of lightweight oil for shine. Avoid heavy oils near the scalp. Once done, style the rest of your hair to complement the laid edges and make sure not to disturb the line. If you see flaking or stiffness, stop. Shampoo the edges gently and reapply a lighter amount of product. This resets the base without damaging hair or causing build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.